We have a pizza recall, we have a chicken recall, we have an additional Trader Joe's recall, and an update on the recall I did yesterday. Yesterday I did a recall for Trader Joe's due to foreign matters. I've got an update on that. If you missed that video, you can always find out more information about these recalls. I have created a playlist. It's called Urgent Foods Recall. Check the playlist. You can find it because some of these are ongoing. So any recalls that you do miss, please go to that playlist and find the video that you need information on. And if you just have a question about a recall, check that playlist. So yesterday I did a recall for Trader Joe's chicken, lentil, and caramelized onions pilaf. Now they've given additional information, and the actual name of that product is chicken, lentil, and caramelized onions pilaf with saffron, basmati rice, dark chicken meat, dates, and golden raisins. All of that is on the package, and this is what it looks like. We also have a completely new Trader Joe's recall. There are several products that have now been recalled due to the possibility of listeria. The recall I just spoke about and the one from yesterday with the pilaf, those products were recalled due to foreign matter. They have had several consumer reports of finding rocks and one dental injury. So be sure to check it. Check your freezer. Again, the information will be below in the comments. If you are watching this video from another platform, the information, the specifics about these different packages for these recalls, they are in the comment below, the first comment on the YouTube video. I apologize, but that is the only platform that gives me enough room to put all of the information needed about these recalls. And if you are new to the channel and you are not subscribed, take a second and subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated on these recalls and stay informed. Trader Joe's has also recalled several products due to the possibility of listeria. Listeria is nothing to play with. So please, please, please. And all of these Trader Joe products, if you have them, please discard them, or Trader Joe's always says you can take it back to any Trader Joe's for a full refund. And although the bulk of my information is about the Trader Joe recall, these exact same products you could have also purchased from other stores like HEB and Costco's.
Salad dressing, sauces, and enchiladas are being recalled. These are foods that many of you got from HEB, Trader Joe's, even Costco.
All of these products that I'm getting ready to name from Trader Joe's that may contain the possibility of listeria contain the cotija cheese. Now, I just did a video about the big recall on the cotija cheese and dairy products. It is now carrying over into other products that may have this cotija cheese and other dairy products.
That cheese came from a California company where listeria has been found. That company also supplied ingredients that were then used in other products sold at other stores.
Cotija cheese was recalled from Rizzo Lopez Foods Incorporated on February 5th, 2024. So the products that I'm naming from Trader Joe's may contain the possibility of listeria, and those products are Trader Joe's chicken enchilada verde, Trader Joe's cilantro salad dressing, Trader Joe's elote chopped salad kit, and Trader Joe's Southwest salad.
Let's start at Trader Joe's. Here's what's recalled. The house brands with listeria, including HEB, now under recall, HEB brand cilantro cotija salad dressing and poblano Caesar dressing. And at Costco, Don Pancho street tacos, cilantro lime crema, and everything sauce are recalled.
Please discard these products or return them. Pizza next on the list. Now, the pizza recalled is from Richie Lou Foods Incorporated, selling under the brand name 365 Whole Foods Market. This is for a vegan pizza. The vegan pizza name is Vegan Ultimate Veggie Thin Crust Pizza, and it is being recalled due to the possibility of undeclared milk. This pizza has a best by date of 6/15/2024, June 15th, 2024. That big cotija cheese and dairy and sour cream recall from Rizzo Lopez Foods, it seems to be carrying over into a lot because this next recall again is from Rizzo Lopez Foods Incorporated.
FDA says 26 people in 11 states, including Florida, have gotten sick from listeria after eating Rizzo Lopez Foods products over the last decade. The FDA says 2 people have died and 23 others have been hospitalized.
They have recalled Amazon Kitchen Chicken Chili Verde burrito with rice, black beans, and Monterey Jack. Again, that is for the Chicken Chili Verde burrito with rice, black beans, and Monterey Jack. This product, again from Rizzo Lopez Foods Incorporated, has been recalled due to the possibility of listeria. If you have this product, please return it or discard it. I've had a couple of people to email me recently to let me know about specific recalls, and I'd just like to take a second to thank them. I do appreciate any emails that I get about a recall. I absolutely do not hear about every single recall. I try to bring this information to you all as quickly and as soon as possible that I can get the information, then do my research and put it all together for you all. So I would like to thank them for sending me the information that they have sent. And if any of you all know about any recalls, I cannot promise that I will get to all of them because I do get hundreds of emails per day, but I do go through them and I try my very best. So thank you so much for that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up to date and safe. I know I've talked a lot about listeria. It is very serious. Several people in my comments have stated that they have had listeria. It lasted for months. Some of them thought that relatives that had it were not going to make it. Doctors even called the family in to say, you know what, come say your goodbye because this is it. It is nothing to play with. None of these things, the foreign matter, someone had a dental injury because of that. That could have been worse. A child could have gotten that, anything. So please be aware and share these videos out. If you can do one thing for me, share the videos out to everyone you know. If you have social media platform, please share the video out to your groups and to your platform. Share it out to your family, friends, and foe, because if it does not affect you, it may affect them. Encourage them to subscribe and turn that notification bell to all as well. Today is February 9th, 2024.